Greetings, Earthlings. This is probably one of the most exciting videos for me that I have ever done because today I am unboxing the Friends mystery box. This is a subscription box from Culturefly. If you remember way back, I used to do Nickelodeon mystery boxes from the same company. Well, now they have come out with Friends, which has been my favorite show since I was like 12. So pretty quickly I had all of the seasons on DVD, I had trivia games, I have a Friends video game. I know everything that there is to know about this show, and it's a classic that I will never ever grow out of. I love it so much. But I digress. Let's go ahead and open this box up. I do know of 3 things that will be in here because I got an email from Culturefly and they were like, hey, yo, don't forget about this box. Here's some things you're gonna get in it. And I was like, okay, so let's open her up. Now, the first thing that I see in here, I knew was one of the items, and unfortunately, I'm not that excited about it because I don't think it's the best looking item, but it's kind of cool. It's a Friends hockey jersey. It's obviously going to be too big for me. I got the size extra small box, but this is extra small / medium. 94, obviously the year that the show first aired. Yeah, let's keep digging. Another thing that I knew was gonna be in here is a little Marcel plushie. This is, of course, Ross's pet monkey. Here he is, a cute little guy. Gotta keep him away from my Barbie dolls. Okay, let's keep going. What is this? This looks like a cup or a tumbler. Let's open it up. It is pink. What is this? It says soda. It looks like a soda can. Soda can travel cup. I knew it. It's from the time Phoebe found a finger in her soda. And they like reimbursed her for it. And she was like, nah. The thumb. That's cute. I like it. And you drink out of the, it's got a little slidey piece here, but it looks like a pop, top. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, we have sticky notes. Phoebe's guitar, little sticky notes. I don't think I need to open these. I think sticky notes are self-explanatory. Well, that's cute. Ooh, I think I know what this is. The brooch that Ross bought for Rachel was supposed to be in here, and I do believe that's what this is. Look at that. It's kind of cool. I think is it a pin? Yeah, it's a pin. It's a pin of the brooch. And I do believe this is how Rachel found out that Ross loved her. Isn't that sweet? That's cute. Interesting. A poker set. Poker chips and playing cards. That's a lot in there. I have never played poker before. The extent of my card game knowledge is Go Fish, which until I was like 20, I called it Goldfish because I didn't know if it was Go Fish or Goldfish. So I kind of just melded them together. I was like, oh, let's play Goldfish. True story. Yeah, so that's fun. I feel like I look really pale today. I wonder what it could be. All right, there's one more thing in here, and it looks like it is a notepad, and it is a quote from the show. It says, "Welcome to the real world. It sucks. You're gonna love it." Cute. Let's see, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in here. I paid $35 for this. Yes, we have the hockey jersey, the pin, the soda can bottle, the Marcel plush, the poker set, the sticky notes, and the notebook. I have to say, overall, I'm a little bit disappointed. As a super fan of the show, I mean, this is still at least stuff that you can't get anywhere else. And I also signed my fiance up for the Office mystery box from Culturefly. We already opened that one, and it was pretty dope. It was pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the Friends box. I'm gonna stay subscribed to it and keep getting cool stuff, because why not? I love that show more than anything. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. I know this was short. Please like the video, please subscribe, have a good day, and I'll see you later.